But I could try and do some push-ups. Ari, what are you doing? He went on the camera and was like this. And then he stayed and then he got up. Look, he just did it again.
You can't do that song.
Is that your red sock? You want to show your red sock? Say, ooh, look, my sock is red and white. And my shirt is red and white. Go, Ari. Go, Ari. Go, Ari.
Okay, come on.
All right, come on. Let's get this thing started. No, exercise first and fun later.
I already got wet. We were going.
I was trying to see if you can see if I do it, if I do squats like this. But I would have to come way back and go like, little Donnie.
Wait, I want to do it.
Yo, get 20 in
And
right
go
now.
like this.
Can we?
Two.
Oh, you can still see it.
Do 25, hurry, hurry.
wait,
You gotta do
wait.
25. Go do it. One.
Wait, can we just do one exercise?
You gotta
One
do-
exercise?
Just do 25. Good.
Ooh,
25.
how about we do 5 exercises and then we go for 4?
No, Papa. No,
You don't do
Mar.
that much time. Just do 25, hurry.
Mar.
You do too much talking. Don't listen.
Here.
2.
Wait. See, open your legs. And then now
I
squat.
just like waterproof.
Squat.
Ooh,
No,
good,
remember I
good,
said you
Mark.
go,
Ready?
you put your legs
Set.
straight. So squat.
1, 2,
Wait,
3,
see?
4.
You go like this.
5.
Act like you're sitting in a chair, okay? So here, I do my leg like this. You know, wait. Yeah, he's wet. I'm trying to help him act like he's sitting down. Okay, act like
Oh,
you're
yeah, he's
sitting.
soaking wet.
Act like you're sitting in a chair.
I'm at the beach.
Stop, Mar. He said I'm at the beach.
I'm at the
Don't pull
beach.
it, Papa. Look.
I'm at the beach.
So look, act like you're sitting down in a chair. Like push your butt out, okay? So you sit down in a chair. Look, you don't sit down in a chair like that. Don't you look for the chair and then you go like this and then you sit out like that? So look, act like you're sitting, look, like this, look. If you come, you sit down, you go like this. Like, don't you sit down like that? Yeah, so act like you're sitting. Go, 1, 2, 3. Mari. Come here, Mari. Mari, come here. Why his butt is wet? Why your booty wet?
Because we want to go for
Amari.
some ammo.
Amari, excuse me, sir. Come here. Come here. Excuse me, sir, with the blue pants. Yeah, come here. Follow me. You got that song stuck in my head.
Oh, that's the song.
Follow me. Set me free. Come here, baby. Come here.
Hurry,
They
guys.
was
Go.
came
Do
from
it.
the city.
Okay, here, I do jumping jacks with you. Because
2,
Amari want to be a boo-boo head.
4,
Come on.
5, 6.
Go. Go. Do Amari. Go. Do jumping jacks. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am 6, 7, 8, 9. I can't. My boot. I don't have no thing on. 10, 11, 12. I don't have no thing. 1, 2. It's like super bouncy. No, I don't care.
Oh,
How
we're
many was
done.
that? How many was it? No. Leave it. No. No. Amari. No.
Yay.
Leave it. Strong ass baby. Nothing wrong with it. You over here picking up weight. Okay, well, how many was that?
20?
I'll do something with you. Okay, ready, set, go. 1, 2. Oh, you can't do it. You can't do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's hard to open your legs. It has to be a flat surface. Like, it's hard. Oh, it hurt right here, though. Because of sand. No, because you're pushing like this in the sand. Yeah, so it hurts. Yeah, we need a flat surface.
Stop, Donnie. Stop,
It's
Donnie.
like
Stop,
hard.
Donnie. Stop, Donnie.
I can't do it like this. It's hard.
Boy, the ice is running, so.
Yeah, because... Hi, Ariane. Ariano. Let's get your faja. Let's get your faja. The faja. That is the faja. Independent ass Ari. I mean, Amari. He know his name. Adonis, you look like you saving the planet. Doo doo. Doo 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 doo. What you got going here, sir? Watch, be careful, her hair. Come on.
Yeah, watch that movie shit.
He's still not done. Hey, Ari.
Adonis, come here.
Ari. Hi, baby. Hi. Say, ooh, the beach. He said, airplane. He said, don't tell me this is a kite again. It's an airplane. This is an airplane.
That one's bad.
Nah, I got that one up. It's down now. So.
Yeah, he had it all the way in the sky for Adonis.
Oh man, I lost my teeth.
You lost your tooth?
It's okay.
God damn, that's quick.